Hi everyone, this is Remo and I hope you are doing well. In this video I'd love to show you the easiest way to promote your affiliate links and make money online from affiliate marketing. And today's method is super beneficial for beginners in affiliate marketing, and you can promote your products whatever they are. And now let's get started. And now we can head to this amazing website that is Gemma.app. And this amazing website uses the latest technology in artificial intelligence to generate stunning websites and presentations about any topic just with few clicks without having to lift a finger. And the Gemma.app provides you with all images and copies paragraphs needed in your presentations and your websites to make them outstanding. And the best part here in Gemma.app, you can use it for free without any charge on you, without any strings attached. So now we can opt for this button, sign up for free to use this awesome website Gemma.app. Click over this button, sign up for free. Insert your email like this one, continue, verification message. Then after confirming your email address, now you can insert your credentials like your name and your password, like this one for example, your last name, your password, like this one for example, and now continue. Awesome. Enter here your team or company name like this one, continue perfectly. For work, okay, what kind of work do you do? So we can select something like sales for example. How did you heard about us? So we can make insert something like TikTok for example, continue. And now here in the dashboard of your account on Gemma.app, where you can generate stunning presentation, document or web page. And now regarding the affiliate marketing and to promote your affiliate links, now we can select this amazing option web page to create a landing page where you can insert our affiliate links. So we can click over this web page. Perfect. And now here you can insert your prompt or your description of your landing page you want to generate here from Gemma.app that is related to your product you want to promote there. For example, if you want to promote something like make them online tools, fitness tools for the dogs and cats and so on. So here you can create something like create a landing page or creative landing page to promote this product. And therefore you can describe your products in just a few sentences. For example, if you want to seek to promote some products that are related to some niches like bodybuilding, weight loss, beauty and so on, let me show you some amazing affiliate networks that are suitable for beginners in these niches. Like this amazing network, NutriProfits.com. Here you can find a lot of offers and affiliate products regarding some beautiful niches like weight loss, fertility, acne, bodybuilding and so on. Or this amazing network that is sellhealth.com. sellhealth.com. Here you can earn up to a 60% commission on every sale in a lot of niches like beauty, skincare, fertility, meal enhancement and so on. Or this amazing network that is markethealth.com. markethealth.com. for a lot of products regarding beauty and skincare and so on. Or this beautiful website, moreniche.com, the leading health affiliate network for bodybuilding and weight loss and much more of these beautiful niches. So for example, if we go back to NutriProfits.com, so you can sign up for free without any strings attached like followers or website and so on. Here you can sign up for free and start promoting these amazing products in different niches as you want. And here you can find these commissions starting from $30 per sale to a whopping $50 per sale for specific products. Perfect. And the best part here in NutriProfits.com, here you can find a lifetime cookies. Lifetime cookies. So if any customer clicks over one of your affiliate links here from NutriProfits.com and purchase your product even after 2 years, so you will get your commission. Perfect. So for example, we can select one of these beautiful products to promote using Gemma.app like cappuccino MST for example to weight loss. Click over this offer, cappuccino MST. And now we can go back to Gemma.app to create our landing page to promote this amazing product for weight loss. And now we can type something like give me a creative landing page to promote this product. Cappuccino MST to lose weight. Perfect. And we can add some amazing images. Perfect. Now you can click over this enter button. Just a few seconds. Gamma.app will craft a beautiful landing page to promote this amazing, beautiful product. As here you can find this outline or the point included in your landing page. As you see, perfect. And now continue. And now it's time to select a suitable theme. So we can select this one, for example, brown, that is related to caffeine or coffee related products. Continue. Making some more magic. And here you go, a fantastic, well-structured landing page to promote your product effectively and professionally, with a sequence of well-organized sections to convince your customers, starting with this title, Cappuccino MST, the tasty way to lose weight, passing through the introduction and how it works, and some ingredients and their benefits, and real customer results and testimonials if there are some real persons who tested out this amazing product and attest to its effectiveness to reach the required weight loss. As you see, with more success stories and testimonials, that has a powerful impact, psychologically impact, to convince customers to purchase this product. And ending with order now, a call to action to drive people, to direct them to your affiliate product page. So an amazing landing page to promote your Cappuccino MST to lose weight, as you see. And then you can find a call to action button in every single section to drive people to take the action to click over this button and to see this amazing product you want to promote in this landing page. So you can find all different images, different copies by artificial intelligence in this amazing website, Gamma.app. And now it's time to include your affiliate links inside this landing page and to make these buttons clickable to your affiliate product. So now you can go back to your affiliate network, as in our case, Neutral Profits, to promote Cappuccino MST. So now it's time to copy this link, your affiliate link, and go back to your landing page here. And for every single button, you have to activate it with your affiliate link. So for example, quickly we can go over this button, click over this one, and then you can paste your affiliate link. As you see, click enter, and here you activated this button with your affiliate link. So if everyone clicks over this button, he will be directed to your affiliate product. Okay, perfect. And now, how we can leverage this landing page and how to promote this amazing landing page to promote your product to get more sales. Now we can go over this one, share, and get this copy link of this landing page. Copy this one. And now it's time to promote this landing page professionally, and here you can find two ways. The first way, you can go together to this amazing social media that is Pinterest.com. You can create your pin here, and then in this section of a destination link, add your landing page link, as you see. And for sure, Pinterest allowed this amazing link and it doesn't block it. Perfect. And here you can upload your attractive pin image that you can make in canva.com, for example. Here in homepage of Canva, and just you can look for something like Pinterest pin. And here you can find done for you templates that you can customize easily and as you want to make a beautiful and attractive Pinterest pin to promote your Cappuccino MST or any product you want to promote. Add the title of your landing page, and regarding the description, so easily and simply, just you can go to the amazing website copy.ai, one of the best copywriting assistant out there, and you can use it for free. So just you can sign up for free and to go together to this dashboard and go to chat. It's alternative to ChatGPT, and of course you can find in the description box and the first comment below a big list of the ChatGPT alternatives. And now we can ask a ChatGPT or chat in copy.ai to give you a product description to promote your cappuccino MST with a call to action. So now we can write me like this one, write me a creative product description of my product that is a cappuccino MST to lose weight, and click over this enter. As here you can find an attractive and amazing product description that you can use in your social media description section. So you can copy the entire block and go back to your Pinterest to insert here and paste here in this section. So the first way to promote this landing page, to promote your affiliate links, make a lot of landing pages to promote your products, then come to Pinterest to promote these landing pages with these amazing links. And the second way to promote your landing page, to promote your affiliate product, just you can go back to gamma.app, and here you can go to export section. As you see, you can find this option to download this landing page in a PDF format. So click over that, generating your PDF file. Awesome. And now we can promote this PDF that contains a lot of information to promote your affiliate product in an amazing website that is slideshare.net. Here you can sign up for free to upload and browse many presentations and PDF files people are uploading there, and upload your PDF files from gamma.app that contain affiliate links to promote your affiliate products. And by the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video.